Good morning, everyone. It's time for the chickens to start their day. So after we have our breakfast, we head out to the pasture. Always make sure you record yourself closing that gate. That way no one on your family compound has any questions about that. We have 50 chickens in this coop, and we let them out every morning and we put them to bed every night. During the day, our older chicks roam around in the pasture. This gives the little guys a little bit of opportunity to start going at their own feed. At night, they stay tucked under the nesting boxes just so any of the older chicks can't get to them. But during the day, they're able to free range inside the coop. Sometimes they even let themselves out and come back at night. These chicks range from about a week and a half to almost 4 weeks old now. One thing I like to do in the morning is just clean out their nesting boxes. That way when we come back to collect eggs this evening, we won't have any dirty eggs. I don't do this every day, but I do like to do it every so often just because I do not like dirty eggs. And that's how we start our day here at the chicken coop. Now we head back home so we can log on to the computer and start work at 8 o'clock. Thanks for watching.